Hey, what's up, you guys? I certainly hope that all of you are safe and sound. And I'm starting off by priming my eyelid with the e.l.f. All Over Cover Stick in a shade called Persimmon. And then I'm going in with the Jeffree Star Artistry palette with the shade called Mr. Diver. It's more like a toned down orange-ish shade, and that's gonna be a transitioning shade. So I'm just applying it above my crease area basically, and making sure that I blend it all in very well. And now I'm going in with the Alyssa Edwards from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going in with a shade called Brick Road, and I'm just applying it on top of that orange shade that we applied previously to kind of like tone down that orange shade a bit. And for majority of this look, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from Bobbi Brown in the shade called Cocoa. And what I'm going to be doing is basically apply bits by bit, small amounts, because I don't want to go all in, especially if you're using a darker shade. You don't want to just go heavy on it. So what you want to do is take your time as you slowly build up. As you can see, I started from the bottom, and now I'm just quickly building my way up as I begin to intensify the color. So now I'm grabbing the Kryolan 15 color eyeshadow palette. Is one of my oldest eyeshadows. Well, way back then when life was good. But anyway, I'm just taking that eyeshadow color called Gold, and I'm basically just gonna apply it on my tear dot area. And then now I'm just going in with my favorite gel eyeliner, and of course, you know, I'm just gonna apply it on my upper lash line as well as on my lower lash line. So now I'm going in with the Stage Line Pore Minimizer Skin Refinisher, and basically this is what I'm gonna apply before I apply my foundation. And my skin has been so bad, you guys. I really don't know what to do, what to use anymore. Maybe it's because winter is coming up, that's why my face my skin has been acting up a bit. But yeah, so now I'm going in with the MAC Match Master Foundation, and I'm basically it's very close to the NC45 Studio Fix Fluid, and I'm just applying it using a brush this time, hoping that it can actually cover most of my bad skin. But anyway, no matter. So now I'm going in with my favorite concealer from LA Girl, and this one is a Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the shade Fawn, and this is what I'm using to highlight of course the underneath my eyes, as well as the bridge of my nose, you know, the usual, the forehead, and a little bit on my chin, as well as on my cupid's bow. So using the same brush as I use for my foundation, I'm quickly blending out that concealer a bit, in faith believing that my imperfections will be covered, hopefully. But you know what, let's get going. So now I'm grabbing the Sunkissed Bronze Architect palette and I'm going in with the shade called, of course, Bronzer. And this is what I'm going to use to kind of like bring back some color back into my face. And I'm basically just bronzing underneath my cheekbones as well as on my forehead, just around the perimeter of my face. Basically just bit by bit will work out just fine. So now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Shimmering Facial Whip, and this one is in a shade called Spotlight, and basically I'm just applying it on the bridge of my nose as well as on my cheekbones to kind of like just intensify my highlight a little bit more. And the reason why I love this facial whip so much is because you just need just a bit of it and it just works. I don't need to build on a lot, just a little bit goes a long way. And so I'm using my fingers to basically blend it out because it can get a bit sticky, so I prefer using my fingers rather than using a brush.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's.
So now I'm going in with the Milani lip liner, and this one is in a shade Brazilian Brown. I just love this shade so much, you guys. I just feel like it works for my lips. So now I'm going back to the Kryolan eyeshadow palette and I'm going back in with that gold shade, and basically I'm just applying it in between my lips and blending in with my fingers. And yeah, the whole look is done. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Until next time, bye bye.